Hey guys, hey, my name is Barb. I'm here at Guarantee RV out in Junction City, north of Eugene. Today I'm going to show you a super nice 21-foot bunkhouse trailer with a slide. Perfect for a family of 4. It's got the dual tanks on the front, easy get on and get off of the ball here. You've got some diamond plate to rock guard. It's got solar on the side. It's got a great big beautiful pass-through right here for lots and lots of storage. A grab handle, that's always super nice. A couple of steps up in here and you will be surprised at what you find. So as I said, this is just a 21-foot trailer, but if we kind of stretch out in here, you can see that it's got a lot of room. You've got a nice master bed here. You got storage up under here as well. Nice garment closets on each side, good storage closets up above, all LED lighting. I like this little setup here. This is the slide that's included in the unit. So what you have here is you've got a double bed for mom and dad, you've got a couple of bunks for the kids, and a dedicated table. But if you wanted to bring along, a niece or a nephew or something like that, then they would also have a place to stay. I'm just going to put this back together really easily, just like that. You got the little bunks back here. So this is pretty neat. You got a bunk on the top and a bunk on the bottom. You have storage down underneath here, and you're going to see this door under here, and I'll show you what that's going to do in just a minute. Big, huge refrigerator for a 21-foot trailer. You usually get a little 4-foot jobby with no freezer. Here you're getting a full-size refrigerator, and it's a Norcold. You got a rooftop air conditioner. They just put this together nicely. 3-burner stove, a microwave, all this storage here along the way. Plenty of places for all of your goods. Now you've got a cabinet back here as well. So the kids have a place. You've got a pantry. It's got a nice bathroom. Just have them take a look at that. The bathroom's a bathroom. So you got a tub and shower, a nice basin, place to store some towels, a medicine cabinet. This vehicle is very light in weight. I'll give you a specific on that as we go outside and I show you this last part of it. But this is, like I said, this is a 21-foot trailer. That's like nothing. You usually get this kind of a space when you're in like 24 feet or better. So I have sold several of these, and I contact my families quite often, and I've got nothing but double thumbs up, triple thumbs up. Everybody really, really likes them. They're just doing a great job. So we'll go out real quickly. The best thing that you can do for yourself, folks, is to come out here and take a look at these, because going inside and feeling them and looking at them, that's really when you know what works for you. It's got a big awning that goes all the way down the side. You've got an outside shower. You've got you have an opportunity to put a backup camera on it if you'd like to. This door opens up, and that bed that I showed you on the inside folds up, so you can use this entire area for storage. So if you want to bring the kids' bikes, if you want to bring some extra tubs and things like that, there's a place to store it in the trailer instead of the bed of the truck. Dual axles, a 30-amp service, a short little slide. It's got it all. It has it all. So why don't you think about coming out here and talking with me and seeing for yourself if you like it. My name's Barb, 541-521-4232. I hope I get to see you.